All right, we want to look at how we can calculate the surface area of the structure of the diagram on the board. Now, this diagram is a combination of hemisphere and cone combined together. And for we to find the surface area, we are going to find the surface area of the cone, find the surface area of the hemisphere, then we add the two things together. Let's see how we can find the surface area of the cone. Now, and the surface area of the cone is going to be the curved surface area, all right? So we start by saying that curved surface area of cone. We all know the formula. The formula is pi r l, which means that before we can find it, we need to get our slant height of the cone. And how do we get the slant height? We take this right angle triangle from the diagram, all right, as you can see, and we are going to have 7 centimeters here, 24 centimeters, and this is our L. So we are going to use Pythagoras theorem to find our L. So we say that L squared should be equal to 24 squared plus 7 squared. And L squared, this will give us 576 plus 49. Our L squared will give us 625, all right? And our L, which is the slant height, will be square root of 625, which will give us 25 centimeters. So now that we know the slant height of the cone, we can use it in our formula. So we can say that curved surface area of cone, our pi is given, which is 22 over 7, and our radius is given, which is 7, and the slant height, we look for it, all right? So we are going to multiply this, and when we multiply it, we are going to have 550 centimeter squared. Now let us also look for the curved surface area of the hemisphere. So curved surface area of hemisphere, all right, mathematically is given as 1 over 2 multiplying the surface area of a sphere, which is 4 pi r squared. And this will give us 2 pi r squared. So we have 2 here. Pi is 22 over 7. And the radius of the hemisphere is the same as the radius of the cone. So we can also have 7 square here. Now we are going to multiply this. And when we multiply it, we'll have 308 centimeter squared. Now that we know the curved surface area of the cone, the curved surface area of the hemisphere, we can find the surface area of the structure, all right, which is going to be our 50 plus our 308. And we are going to add the two things together, which will give us 858 centimeter squared. So this is how we can calculate for the surface area of the structure. Guys, mathematics is not difficult. You can make it. Keep practicing it, and your life will never be the same.